Hello, I'm Ray from Miro AI Studio. Want to prototype a mobile experience without jumping into complex design tools? Miro makes it fast. Start by opening a Miro board. Select Prototype. And now write your prompt, and remember, the more specific you are, the better outcome you'll get. For example, in a few minutes, Miro generates an editable prototype tailored to a mobile layout. From here, you can review and make quick adjustments. Want to change the color? Just ask it in the prompt, and Miro will generate a new version. Then you can select the one you like the most, click Apply to Canvas, and start iterating. Now you can customize and use our prototyping library. You can find it by clicking on the plus icon and writing Prototyping Library. You can add buttons, sliders, dropdowns, adjust spacing, connect screens, and map user journeys, all directly on the board. Need to localize content, explore layout options, or more? Select a frame and use Miro AI to do that. It's a powerful way to move from rough concept to aligned direction without needing to redraw from scratch. Already have a reference? Upload a screenshot of an existing mobile app or even a hand-drawn sketch, and let Miro convert it into an editable phone prototype. It's a fast way to rework existing UX or build on ideas from real examples. Because it all happens in Miro, it's easy to collaborate. Invite your entire team, PMs, developers, and stakeholders to comment, edit, or explore flows together. It's perfect for async reviews, live workshops, or design critiques, all without switching tools. Start prototyping phone experiences in Miro today. Click the link in the description to try it for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on Miro prototyping, wireframes, and early-stage UX workflows. Thanks for watching.